tiny treasures and toys. Please subscribe.
Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today we're here with the Paw Patrol pups as well as the Polly Pocket pup. We are going to have some fun on the slide. This isn't just any slide. This is a slide into a pool. Yay, we're so excited! Guys, I don't know about this. I don't like water very much. Of course, Rocky, we know that. That's why there's a swing behind the slide. You can have fun while staying dry. Awesome. Let the fun begin. I think that Sky and Rebel should go first since they organized this. Aw, thanks, Chase. All right, Rebel, let's get to the top of the slide. Roof, roof. What is it, puppy? I get it. He wants us to put on that pink helmet. Aw, thanks for caring about our safety, pup. But it's okay because we've already got helmets on. See? Woof! In order to get to the top of the slide, we have to climb up this yellow rope. Yay, Rebel, you're doing a great job. Almost up. I made it. I'm coming. Wait for me. I'm all ready to go. Everybody steer clear of the bottom. We better move so they don't hit us. I'll stay behind you guys. I don't want to get wet. All right. Countdown from 3. 3, 2, 1. That was so much fun. We sure made a mess. We were supposed to go at the same time. That's okay. It was still fun. Can I go next? Of course. How about you go with Liberty? Sure. Boy, am I sure glad I stayed dry. It's time to go on the swing. Whee! All right, Zuma, you ready? Yep. We'll count down from 3. 3, 2, 1. That was so much fun. Yes, now it's our turn. I'm going to go see how Rocky's doing on the swing. Hi, Rocky. Hi, I'm having so much fun. 3, 2, 1. Clumsy me. Of course I landed on my head. That was awesome. Now it's Puppy's turn. Roo, roo. He's got to wear his helmet because he doesn't already have one on. Do you need some help with that, Puppy? There you go. You're all suited up. And thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.